This is a pretty trendy Chinese on the internet. There are a lot of salesmen in China. They always do the same, slogan like saying, 健身房了解一下，健身房了解一下。Or they will say, 英语学习了解一下，英语学习了解一下。Or they will say, 古北1号了解一下，古北1号了解一下。No matter what kind of area, what kind of industry they're selling, they always say 了解一下，了解一下。So that's the reason that a lot of netizens they're mocking them, saying 了解一下，了解 means like have a look to know about something, to know about something.
小姐姐，贷款了解一下。
小姐姐，滑板了解一下，滑板了解一下。
Recently, the trend become more prevalent. They will say, "Hey, this is our new colleague, 了解一下." This is our new colleague, 了解一下。Or they will say, "Hey, this is our new product, 了解一下." This is our new product, 了解一下。Or anything, something new, new information, new contents, new curriculum. They always can say, you always can say, 了解一下，了解一下。So let me give you some examples. Hey, this is my new friend Jacob. 了解一下 Jacob 了解一下 Ooh, this is a new homemade dish. 了解一下 This is a new homemade dish. 了解一下 Or, oh, this is the book I just published. 了解一下 This is the book I just published. 了解一下 So you can say 了解一下 in any situation if you want to review some new information or new product or new curriculum to your friends. Yeah. Or new people, And this is a LingoYes. If you like our program, please subscribe to our YouTube channels. I'm Jeremy, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.